This girl that we came to the class together with.
Okay, you mean Aisha?
Whatever you call her, ina ƙaunarta. I want you to irin ka zama min tsani.
Okay, sir. Okay, ba matsala, inshallah.
About what you told me the last time, are you serious?
Why would I ask me whether I'm serious? Why would I play with your heart? You know that I'm not that kind of people. I'm very serious.
If you're serious,
I'm very sure. Yeah,
so you're in love with me?
Yes. Yes.
I'm highly welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm talking about your courses that you offer, so I'm here to access the courses.
Okay.
Yes, especially I have heard about one that you have introduced.
Yes, of course.
So I'm here purposely to create that new course.
New course. Okay.
Ina so ki zama uwar ƴaƴana.
Me? Kai san aure ka?
Ai ba auren ki na ce zan ba.
Okay. Let me start mentioning the courses which I know you already know them.
That's good.
But maybe you need to mention them again. First of all, we have one course which is called MBSc.
Okay.
That is Mastering the Basic Science Courses. This course is for remedial students.
Okay.
Mastering the Basic Science Courses. And also we have palms and ceramic. And then also we have REX, recruitment for engineering technician.
Kawai ina so ne ki zo mu hayu. Ina da ɗakin da nake so zan kama, sannan kuma akwai abubuwan da ya kamata, wannan kuma sai kin zo.
Ko me ya ɗauke ni? Yar iska kenan in tare a gidansa ba tare da ya biya kuɗin sadaki na ba?
Yes, there is also another one, which is the one that you talked about before.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Human behavior and personality. That is the main course. Yes.
Please, can I see the teacher, please?
Yeah, you can see him. Isa! Isa! Sir! Ya je bitan wani saboda tashi daban. Abbas. Isa, ya zama malamin nan. Ita zindiya. To, shi za ta yi magana. Ce yanzu. Wani malamin yasa. Shi yi magana ne ba.
That's good. Spirit will say something, but I want to.
If you consider the above courses, for this human behavior and personality, it will help the students. As far as science student concerned,
Okay.
This kind of
What is the total number of the students that you take in a class?
that is taking this course.
Yes.
At least we have 20 students.
Okay. Now we have 20
Now we have
students.
20 students.
Okay. Okay, that's right. But give me 10 more minutes. I have some issue now in this college. Yes, thank you. They're my friends, truly. Now I have some issues here.
You have a pen?
Okay. Do you hear me? Can you hear me? That's good. Thank you. Goodbye.
Please, do you have an idea about some courses?
Excuse me. Abba Mallam. This is not proper. This is school. If you have something personal to discuss with her, please meet her outside the school premises. This is improper. Adia, please go back to your class. I said go back to your class. Abba Mallam.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. When sir, how are you? You are going to sit here without your supervisor. What is this supervisor doing here? Everything come. You will not have you. All go up to your come. Okay. This is the teacher. Is the lecturer. Okay. Good morning.
This the lecturer?
Yes, he is the lecturer that we are talking about. What happened?
That's good. That's good. It's okay. Please, let me first know your name.
My name?
Yes.
Mr. Now to the point. Mr. Lawal. Mr. Lawal. Okay. Mr.
Okay. Tell me the course that you are taking. Of course.
Okay. Human behavior and personality development.
Then please your qualification. Your qualification.
That's your qualification. My particulars. Yes. My particulars. Let's go on. What am I? Cool your mind. Just talk to you. I'm an expert in human behavior. Very popular in the radio. Yes. That is the reason why we
ga cajin ka wallahi an buge wata
Waye buge ta?
na ni adin mata ko aljanu ne sai ta bai warwas
wace ce?
ila ne ce
Wace ce?
ko anti mace ko Aisha ce ni ga san ba gane rugula ce dai
Let us go.
Ba dole take nan.
mace
Sani ya na ganka kwana biyu fes da kai kana yawan sarrafa kwamfuta da daga waya yau kana Abuja gobe kana Kaduna kuma na san ba boko kai ba ko ni da ne digiri ma a boko gashi ne ma nake na wulakanta saboda rashin aikin yi
ha sirrin shine Jamil Chiroma College of Science and Technology domin kuwa sun samar mana da wasu muhimman programs guda uku waɗanda za su samar mana da ayyukan yi na ɗaya graphics camera and editing na biyu software development and website design na uku CCTV camera installation with remote viewing and tracking software.
ya kake faɗa min programs ɗin da sai an je irin su India
INES ce ta zo kusa akan waɗannan programs ɗin guda uku. Jamil Chiroma College of Science and Technology ta shirya muku babban bonanzar sallah inda za a yi rijista akan 5,000 kacal akan kowane programs.
Yin wa'annan programs ɗin guda uku zai ba ku damar yin ayyuka a wurare kamar haka: gidajen talabijin, masana'antar fim, gidajen jaridu, supermarkets, hotels, bankuna, makarantu da dai sauransu.
Shi kuma software tracking zai baku damar yin sana'ar gano wayoyi ko motocin da aka sace, da ma baku damar bibiyar wayoyin 'ya'yanku don kula da tarbiyyarsu.
ku garzaya Jamil Chiroma College of Science and Technology don siyan fam da yin rijista da ke kan titin Airport Road kusa da Sarkin Yaƙi daura da gidan man AA Rano ko ta lambar waya kamar haka 08078778910 08078778910